Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So on the VeChain chart, we have an unchanged situation. The price is hovering just below that 38.2 retracement at 4.3 cents. We have this resistance area on the chart. It starts at 4.3 cents, goes up to 14.7 cents. We have additional resistance here on the daily chart between 6.17 and 8.8 cents. Yeah, so all of these four levels are relevant for the, they could stop the price, right? They do at the moment, right? They do it at the moment. The price already reacted to the first one, but I have to say, ideally the price would even stretch a bit higher into the resistance area, even if the yellow, more bearish scenario is actually playing out. The yellow scenario is a corrective rally. So let's talk about that first. That would involve a 5-wave move down, which bottomed in June 23. Then a 5-wave move up. So we see mixed signals, 5 down, 5 up. That allows for further upside, which we have been tracking, which I am tracking, and which is playing out now, right? Because the price held a higher low in support, and then 5 waves up typically indicate another move up is coming. So we had a corrective pullback, it held a higher low, it kept that scenario valid, and now we could be moving up in 5 waves like that. 5 up, 3 down, 5 waves up, and then this would involve maybe a smaller extension, an additional extension in this third wave before we get a fourth wave and a fifth wave up towards, well, 8.8 cents or even 14.7. It takes a break above 14.7 cents to make the yellow scenario less likely and to shift probabilities towards the white scenario, which again is also based on the idea that this was a 5-wave move up, but here it's a wave 1 and not an A wave. This was a wave 2 correction, absolutely plausible scenario. And we could be moving up in a third wave, but that third wave, when it's finished, needs to result in a corrective pullback. Yeah, it needs to hold a higher low afterwards. And this is where we can distinguish between the yellow count, which is bearish, and the white count, which is bullish. There will be a support area that the white count shouldn't break below. So both bearish and bullish counts, however, in the short term show higher prices. Yeah, nothing is moving in a straight line though. Please keep that in mind as well. So if we go and take a look at the shorter time frame, you see that this is this third wave I just talked about. I'm only tracking here the yellow count to the upside because it's yellow and the white count, they move together anyway. So at the moment, the market seems to be in this internal wave 4 here. It's very I want to say unreliable, this microstructure, but we're moving up in a price channel. It might be worth watching that lower boundary line of the price channel for possible support. We're currently moving in a Fibonacci support area on the micro level here between 3.7 cents and 4.2 cents. As long as this wave 4 is holding, the price could continue to climb, would then move up in a wave 5 of an internal third wave, and then maybe get another wave 4 and another wave 5 to complete this all over or larger degree third wave, then another 4 and a 5. This support area would need to be adjusted with the price if we climb higher. This is only there for a backup, yeah. In case we break that micro support, I can't really call that an internal fourth wave anymore. I would then have to assume that we might already be in the larger fourth wave. Yeah, so support would then be between 2.7 cents and 3.7 cents. At the moment, we're printing higher highs, higher lows, and the pullback seems corrective. So overall, looking for higher prices on the micro level as well. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching.